My name is Arsh Modak. I'm from Mumbai itself. I completed my graduation in 2018. I graduated in Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology from Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune. And currently I'm a student in Imarticus Learning. I'm currently pursuing a course in data analytics. So when I was in my final year, I didn't want to restrict myself to the theory that I learned in college. I wanted to specialize in something, and I wanted to do something for myself. So what I did was I researched about all the different fields I can go in IT, and the field that I matched with, I connected with, was data analytics. I felt that was the most interesting course I can go for. After I decided I wanted to go for data analytics, I wanted to do a course, obviously, because I had no knowledge about it. So what I did was I googled about all the courses in data analytics, what it's based on, what all subjects I can study. And after that, I wanted to get into a course in some institute which would give me an overall perspective of data science and all the different topics. And when I compared a few courses, the timeline and all the courses, I came to a conclusion that Imarticus Learning is one of the better courses, and therefore I opted for Imarticus Learning. So basically, when we are learning anything, up till now in college, we've done theory and some kind of practicals. But unless and until you don't have practical experience, if you don't have hands-on experience, you don't actually sit and code and analyze the data and see what output you're getting through it, it won't help you in any way. So this is the different thing that Imarticus is doing. Instead of just teaching us theory, along with the theory, they're also telling us, they're giving us questions, they're giving us problem statements and different data sets to work on. So with the theory, we are also learning the practical aspects. So we've actually learned how to manipulate data and get answers out of it for different problem statements. So we've been writing our resume since our college days, and we've not, honestly, when we are writing our own resumes, what we do is we just fill in all the information like academic details and what you've done. But you actually need to learn how to frame all this and how to write it in a way that the HR manager or the HR person actually picks up your resume and goes forward with your application. So what we were taught is not just resume writing, we were also taught the email writing etiquettes, as well as what words we should use, the different formats of resumes, how you can format it, what are the key points you should include in your resume. So what we did was we had to take the hard copy of our resume and take it to our teacher, and then we had a 1.5 or 2 hour lecture on how you should write a resume, what are the do's and don'ts of writing a resume. And then the good thing that happened was she took 15 to 20 minutes with each student, and she reviewed our resumes and she actually told us what is wrong with it and where you can improve. So, and she also told us that we have to do it, we have to make the corrections and send it to her, and she will review it again and send it back to us with further corrections. So that was a very nice experience, and I feel my resume now is much better than what it was. There are 3 things that I really like about Imarticus. The first is the completeness of the course, the intricacies of the course. The second is the faculty members, and the third is the infrastructure and the environment that we got to study in. These 3 factors have made me, appreciate and like this institution a lot, and I would recommend this institution to, I think, all of my friends who would like to pursue big data and Hadoop or anything related to data or data science in their careers.